Question number 1. Which was the first country to issue paper currency? Your options are A. China, B. India, C. Japan and D. America. Your correct answer is A. China. The first known banknote was developed in China during the Tang and Song dynasties. Before proceeding to question number 2, I would like to mention that even though we are a new channel, we put best of our efforts in making these short videos. So please watch till the end, and if you really like it, subscribe. Now, question number 2. Which was the first country to prepare constitution? Your options are A. Russia, B. Thailand, C. USA and D. China. Your correct answer is C. USA. The practice of a written constitution began in early colonial America, and the Philadelphia Convention is credited with writing the US Constitution. Question number 3. Who was the first person to sail round the world? Your options are A. Laura Decker, B. Michael Parham, C. Jesse Martin or is it D. Ferdinand Magellan? Your correct answer is D. Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan 1480 to 1521 was a Portuguese explorer who is credited with masterminding the first expedition to circumnavigate the whole world. Question number 4. Who was the first person to land on moon? Your options are A. David R. Scott, B. Neil Armstrong, C. Alan Bean or is it D. Charles Peet? Your correct answer is B. Neil Armstrong. On July of 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to step on the moon. He and Aldrin worked around for 3 hours and they did various experiments. Question number 5. Who was the first president of the Indian Republic? Your options are A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B. Draupadi Murmu, C. Ramnath Kovind or is it D. Pranab Mukherjee? Your correct answer is A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Rajendra Prasad was an Indian politician, lawyer, Indian independence activist, journalist and scholar who served as the first president of Republic of India from the year 1950 to 1962. Question number 6. Who was the first Prime Minister of Free India? Your options are A. Jawahar Nehru, B. Narendra Modi, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri or is it D. Charan Singh? Your correct answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was an Indian anti-colonial nationalist, secular humanist, social democrat and author who was a central figure in India. Question number 7. Who was the first Vice President of India? Your options are A. Jagdeep Dhankar, B. Krishnan Kant, C. Bhairon Singh and D. Dr. Radhakrishnan. Your correct answer is D. Dr. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan became the first Vice President of the country and the second President of Free India. Question number 8. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Your options are A. C.V. Raman, B. Mother Teresa, C. Rabindranath Tagore or is it D. S. Chandrasekhar? Your correct answer is C. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore 1861 to 1941 is best known as the poet and in 1913 was the first non-European writer to be awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. Question number 9. Who was the first man to go to space from India? Your options are A. Rakesh Sharma, B. Kalpana Chawla, C. Ravish Malhotra or is it D. Krupa Joseph? Your correct answer is A. Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma is the first Indian citizen to go to space. With his space voyage, India became the 14th nation in the world to send a man to outer space. Question number 10. Who was the first Chinese traveler to visit India? Your options are A. Hyun Sang, B. Fa Hien, C. Fa Hein, or is it D. Yi Sing? Your correct answer is B. Fa Hien. Fa Hien, a Chinese pilgrim, visited India during the reign of Chandragupta II. His primary aim was to visit the Buddhist religious places.